Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about the spermatozoa. A spermatozoa has four parts: the head, neck, the middle piece, and the tail. And they have each of their functions. And so we will talk about the head. As you can see from the picture, has two parts: the acrosome and the nucleus. The acrosome is formed from the Golgi bodies and basically helps to secrete certain enzymes which help the sperm to penetrate the egg. It also has the nucleus and contains the genetic material. Now we will come to the neck region. The neck region has two centrioles. As you can see, the proximal centriole, and a little further away we have the distal centriole. So let's understand what their functions are. The proximal centriole lies in the groove of the neck and is crucial to introduce cleavage when the sperm enters the egg. We also have the distal centriole, and distal centriole mainly helps the attachment of the middle piece to the head area. Now coming to the middle piece. The middle piece is mainly known for the presence of mitochondria, which provides energy for the sperms to move. So let's write down the points that we just discussed. Lastly, we have the tail. It is mainly used for swimming and movement of the sperms. Let's recap whatever we went through. The sperm has a head. The head has two parts: the acrosome and the nucleus. So the acrosome helps to provide certain enzymes that helps the sperm to penetrate the egg. The nucleus has a genetic material which allows the sperm to give away the genetic material and helps to carry the information forward. Then, where there is a proximal centriole, it helps to introduce the cleavage in the zygote and basically allows the first cell division. Then we have the distal centriole, which is the point of attachment between the head and the other part of the sperm. Then we have the middle piece, which contains the mitochondria and is the powerhouse of the sperm. And lastly, the tail is used for swimming and movement. So this is basically what a spermatozoa looks like and has different parts which are used for several other functions. So if you have liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe and share for more so that we can grow, and stay tuned for the next video. And till then, bye.